everyone, it's Steph and I'm going to show you today my favourite warm-up in all of the world because it gets my voice nice and warmed up and my body at the same time, which is really important. So we're going to need our voices nice and warmed up and our hands for this one as well. Also, feel free to move your body as we go. So the first sound that we're going to need for this is a B. B. Okay, and the hand shape that goes with that is a B. So we make a B with our hands, a B with our hands, a B. And we use this tune. B, 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 B. Okay, I'll show you again. B, 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 B. Good. And again. B, 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 B. Good. Okay, join in with me with our B. B, 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 B. Good, and we keep doing that tune over and over again. Okay, one more time, join in with me. Ba 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 ba. Good. And we will do that one last time to make sure we've all got it. This is the tune we're going to keep using for all of the sounds. And big deep breath in. Ready? And ba. Ba 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 ba. Excellent. Good. So now we're going to move on to a T sound. T. T. Okay, and for this one we're going to pretend we're drumming. So our hands are like they've got drumsticks and we're moving them at the wrists. And we're doing a T, 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 T sound to the same tune that we used for the B. So it goes like this. I'll show you again. Good. And join in with me. Good. And one last time, join in with me. Excellent. Brilliant. Good. So now we've got the B and the T. We're going to move on to a D, D, D. And for this one, we're going to use our hands again and pretend we're boxing. D, D, D. Okay, and it's the same tune again. And it goes like this. D, 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 D. Okay, good. I'll show you again. Da 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 da. Good. And this time join in with me. Da, 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 da. Brilliant. Excellent. And last time on that. Join in with me again. Da, 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 da. Good. Okay, so the next sound that we're going to move on to is a zzz, zzz, zzz. And the shape that we're going to use for that is a fly, flying across. So our hands together and we've got our fly flying across. Zzz, zzz, zzz. And it's the same rhythm again, and it goes like this. Zzz, 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 zzz. And again. Zzz, 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 zzz. Good. Join in with me on this one. Zzz, 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 zzz. Good. And again. Zzz, 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 zzz. Good. And last time on that one. Good. Excellent. And another sound that we're going to move on to is vroom, vroom, vroom. And for this one, we're going to pretend we're riding a motorbike, and each time we say vroom, vroom, vroom. Okay, and it's the same tune as before, and it goes like this. Vroom, 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 vroom. Okay. And again. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Excellent. And join in with me on this one. Vroom, 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 vroom. Good. Excellent. Okay. And the final sound that we're going to use on this one is shh, shh, shh. Okay, and you can probably guess. Shh, shh, shh. Brilliant. And we're going to use the same tune as before, and it goes like this. Shh, 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 shh. Okay, I'll show you again. Shh. And it goes Brilliant. Okay, so join in with me on this one, and it goes. Good. Excellent. And again, it goes. Brilliant. Okay, one last time on this one. And it goes. Excellent. Good. Okay, now the fun part is putting it all together. Okay, so remember we start with a B, and we're going to put it all together. I'll call them out and you join in with me each time, okay? Ready? Good. So we start with a B. B, 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 and a T, 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 T. Da, 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 and a zzz, 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 and a vroom, 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 and a shh, 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 shh. Good. We'll do those one more time, just to make sure we're nice and warm. And we're ready, we start with a B. Good. Ready? B. Okay, let's go. B, 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 ba 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 ta 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 da 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 vroom, 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 shh, 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 good. Brilliant. I hope you're feeling nice and warmed up and ready for your performance.